Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare an Italian Amaretto coffee. Now you're going to want to get your hot coffee ready and your coffee mug out. And we're going to start by adding in 1.5 ounces of our Amaretto. Now, we're using Disaronno. Disaronno is probably the world's most popular Amaretto. The company started in 1525 and they haven't changed the recipe since. So if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will give us our 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. From there, we're going to add in 1/2 ounce of cream, right about there. I recommend light cream, but heavy cream works too. It's up to you. You're going to fill the rest of this with coffee all the way to the top. And then a nice thick layer of whipped cream over the top. Don't forget a maraschino cherry. It really has a nice culinary appeal, kind of like a little ice cream sundae. And that's going to be your Italian Amaretto coffee. Really nutty flavor from the almond-based liqueur. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.